Hello everyone. In this, we will start with a new topic, boats and streams, which is also a part of quantitative aptitude. First question, a boat can travel with a speed of 13 km per hour in still water. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour, find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. So what is given in this is speed of the boat. We'll call that as S suffix B, which is nothing but the speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat in still water. That is given as 13 km per hour. If the speed of the stream, we will consider that as S suffix S, speed of the stream, that is given as 4 km per hour. Okay, now find the time taken by the boat to go 68 km downstream. So 68 km downstream, S suffix D is our speed of the boat downstream. Speed of the boat downstream. That is what we have to find. Speed is nothing but distance traveled by time taken. So here they say the distance traveled is 68 kilometer. Okay, now let us consider this, what do you call, speed downstream. Speed downstream will be speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. That is equal to 13 plus 4, which is 17. So that means speed downstream, this one can be rewritten as 17 equal to 68 by t, which means our time taken will be 68 by 17. So it is 4 hours. That means option C is the right option. Let us move on to the next question. A motorboat whose speed is 15 km per hour in still water goes 30 km downstream and comes back in a total of 4 hours 30 minutes. The speed of the stream in kilometer per hour is what? Okay, so what is given? Let the speed of the stream is equal to S suffix S, speed of the stream. Now we have speed downstream, S suffix D, speed downstream will be speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. Speed of the boat is already given in this is speed is 15 km per hour in still water. That is nothing but the speed of the boat. So 15 km plus S suffix S. And then speed of the boat upstream will be speed of the boat minus speed of the stream, which is again 15 minus S suffix S. Then we have speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken, or we can say time is distance divided by speed. So here total time taken is given as 4 hours 30 minutes, which is nothing but 4.5 hours. That can be rewritten as 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 by 2 hours we can write. Now, this total time taken, that is 9 by 2, is nothing but the distance traveled. Here they gave us the distance traveled as 30 km downstream and comes back. Means it goes downstream 30 km and comes back, means comes upstream 30 kilometers, which means 30 divided by downstream, so speed downstream, plus 30 divided by speed upstream. That is equal to 30 divided by 15 plus speed of the stream plus 30 divided by speed upstream, which is 15 minus S. So that means we can rewrite 9 by 2 equal to 30 is common in the right hand side. We can rewrite this as 1 by 15 plus SS plus 1 by 15 minus SS. So this is nothing but 30 times. This is like A plus B into A minus B in the denominator, which becomes A square minus B square. Here it will be 15 minus SS plus 15 plus SS. This minus and plus gets cancelled. We get 30 into 30 divided by 15 square is 225 minus speed of the stream square. So we have now 9 by 2 is equal to 900 divided by 225 minus SS the square. Dividing both sides by 9, we get 1 by 2 is equal to 100 by 225 minus SS the square. Cross multiplying, we get 225 minus SS the square should be equal to 200, or SS square positive. That means I am taking this the right hand side, and this 200, if I take it to left hand side, it becomes 225 minus 200, which is 25. Means the speed of the stream square is 25. So negative speed cannot be negative. So SS will be root of 25, which is 5 kilometer per hour. That will be the solution. So our option is B. Let us move on to the third question. Here, a boat running downstream covers a distance of 16 kilometers in 2 hours. So what is given? Speed downstream is 16 kilometers in 2 hours. So that means it is 8 kilometers per hour. While for covering the same distance upstream, same distance, so 16, it takes 4 hours. That means it becomes 4 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of the boat in still water? So speed of the boat, that is S suffix B, speed of the boat in still water will be speed downstream plus speed upstream divided by 2, which means 8 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 12 by 2. So you get 6 kilometers per hour. So that will be the speed of the boat in still water. So option is B.